So we have a Wii and we have two remote. And these two remote were used on another Wii in another house. And now we can't connect the Wii to the control. So you see it's just a flashing. So if you press any button, it's just trying to flash and not connect. So you can't control the Wii. So this video is about how we can reconnect the remote to the Wii unit. If you remove the Wii remote battery cover, you would see there's the red button over here. This should be the synchronized button. And for the Wii unit, we have a door over here. We can open it, and there's the red button. So we're going to press this red button and the red button on the remote. Try to connect the two together. So you can see this is a synchronized button. So now we can press the synchronize button over here and the synchronize button over here. So now it's connected. So you can see it is a 1. So this is the first controller for the Wii. So now you can see, so we have the controller working and connected. So in summary, you need to press the red button on the remote after you remove the battery cover, and also you need to press the synchronized red button on the Wii unit after you open this door. So that's how we can reconnect your Wii controller to your Wii unit.